What's good, YouTube? It's your boy, and I'm back again with another video. You already know what we're about to get into. I brought this car a couple months ago, and I've been getting some work done to it, and I haven't got around to doing this. I can understand if I did a 392 swap, but I didn't. So this 392 right here is cat.
Nigga, what?
We're gonna go ahead and start removing these decals. All right, so as you guys can see, we got the 2 removed.
My nigga.
I could just keep it up there and say 39.
Stop it. Get some help.
But now we're gonna go ahead and remove this shit, and then we're gonna get some other stuff that I'm gonna be showing y'all later on in the video on how to get that off. All right, so as you guys can see, I got the 392 removed. You can still see all of this.
Few moments later.
All right, gang, we just got back to the charger. Shit, we had to do a lot to it. The damn radiator went out on me. We had to do the tie rod, and hopefully the AC work again.
Help me!
Look how dirty the air filter is, gang. This is crazy. Yo, look at this.
What the f is that?
We changing the cabin air filter, bro. I don't know if y'all can see that, but what the fuck is that? I'm not even going cap, bro. My shit look hard, bro.
What do you mean by that?
I'm not even going cap, bro. I'm thinking about just leaving my shit plain, bro. It looks way better like that, bro. I got 345 badges to go right there. It's 345 in red, and then the Hemi, it's black and white. Not gonna lie, it's a work in progress. I still got a ways to go with this car, bro. I got new headlights, new bumper, fog lights, some other stuff that I can't tell y'all. Y'all gonna have to subscribe. All right, YouTube, so this is the moment that all of y'all been waiting for, bro. I'm about to go ahead and change the bumper and change the headlights. Say goodbye. This is gonna be the last time y'all see the bumper like this. Can't wait to take that shit off. All right, y'all, you see the bumper. Anybody watching this bumper's for sale right here, so go ahead and tap in if you wanna buy that bumper. Paint, body work, audio. I'm about to start doing tint too. Man, anything, can work, brake, anything you need, hit me, I got you. For sure. And if he don't got you, he knows somebody that got you. Shit, you see it though. Make sure y'all like the video, man. But this is the final result, bro. Let me know what y'all think in the comments, man.
Million, zillion, jillion, dillion, cotillion times later.
What's good, y'all? I'm finally back after 2 weeks.
Nigga,
I haven't
what?
had my car for a total of 16 days, bro, because the AC didn't work. We had changed out the AC line, and we added Freon to the system, but the compressor wasn't working, and we couldn't figure out why. So I'm about to go down there and figure out why the compressor wasn't receiving any power. However, we're getting the car back, so that's all that matters. Right now I'm about to go pick up the car so I can bring y'all some more of this content, bro. I'm excited, bro. I'm about to pull up. I got a full tank of gas. Well, I should have a full tank of gas, and the AC should be working, bro. So I'm gonna get back at y'all when we get in the truck. I'm finally back, reunited with the 5.7. Aww. Before we didn't have any AC. And bro, just being in this car, bro. It is way too hot to be in this car without no air conditioner, bro. No way. We're gonna let the car warm up a little bit. I just wanted to bring y'all with me when I crank my car up. Because I definitely miss my car.
I'm here to tell you right now, we don't care.
Let me tell you
We don't care.
All right, gang, so I just got the whip back, bro. It's been 16, 17 days, bro. I got these center caps right here. I feel like if my rims were like gloss black, then it would be like cool to put this there. But since my rims aren't black, I think I'm just gonna like leave it how it is, bro. I was putting that there to kind of bring out the 345 right there. And get the red Brembo brakes, but let me know what y'all think in the comments. Like, if I leave the rims the same color, and put that up there. Like, will it still hit, or should I just go gloss black? I think I should go gloss black on them. Look how dirty my freaking wheel is, bro.
What the f is that?
I'm getting there 2 new tires in the front. Then I gotta get my inner tire rods done. And then I also gotta get my sway bar links for the rear. Then after that, I get an alignment. My stars just came in, so definitely stay tuned because I got the 1,000 stars coming soon for the whip. So make sure y'all boys stay tuned. She look real good, y'all. Definitely happy I got my baby back. I also need to go ahead and grab those fog lights too, bro. So the fog lights coming soon. There's just a lot of stuff I got coming soon, man. Y'all subscribe to the channel and make sure y'all like the video if y'all had not liked the video yet. Like the video. Helps the algorithm. It helps me out. Helps me continue to make videos. So make sure that y'all smash that like button. Smash that subscribe button. If y'all new to the channel, man, tell a friend to tell a friend that we building this 5.7, man. Stay tuned. My car is dirty as fuck. This is the before. And I'm about to get y'all boys the after. All right, y'all. So I just got finished with the wash. She looked way better washed, bro. My car was so dirty. And y'all see, I just took my car to get washed yesterday, bro. Tell me why I come downstairs, bro, and I'm looking at my car, and look what I see, bro.
What is that? What the f is that?
I don't know if this is a possum or a dog or what, bro, but who would let this shit happen, bro? But I'm really tight as fuck, bro. Y'all see me just wash my car, bro. Look at all this shit. And then I got 2 handprints right there, like, bro, who is somebody getting clapped on my shit?
What do you mean by that?
There's so much stuff I gotta do to the car. It's not even funny. I'm really just happy that the AC works, though. Like, there's no way you're riding around in North Carolina without no AC, bro. Anytime you get your car out the shop, bro, this is the first thing you gotta do is just take it to get washed. Do y'all think it was a good idea that I put the 345 badges up there, or should I have just left it plain Jane?
Yeah, yo, find us some hot shit to get on real quick.
Well, Rico in this bitch. Yeah.
Damn. Hop out this bitch and I'm letting it rip.